Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring the profound wisdom of the Bhagavad-gita, especially on this special day known as Gita Jayanti. So, what exactly is the Bhagavad-gita? Well, it's a sacred text that contains a conversation between Lord Krishna and the warrior Arjuna that took place on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Today, on Gita Jayanti, we celebrate the day this divine knowledge was shared with the world. Now, the Bhagavad-gita discusses 5 crucial topics, and understanding these can help us unravel some of life's biggest questions. Firstly, we have the concept of the soul, or Atma. The Gita teaches us that we are not just our physical bodies, but, in fact, eternal souls. It invites us to look beyond the surface and recognize our deeper, spiritual essence. Moving on to the second topic, we have the material world, or Prakriti. This aspect addresses where the soul resides, the material body, and emphasizes the awareness that our existence is not limited to the physical realm alone. The third topic is karma, which essentially means our actions. The Gita tells us that for every action, there is a corresponding reaction. It encourages us to understand the significance of our deeds and their consequences. Now, to navigate through the world and perform actions effectively, the fourth topic comes into play: time. Time is a crucial factor in our journey, influencing the unfolding of events and shaping our experiences. And finally, the fifth and ultimate topic introduces us to a different reality altogether. Beyond the material world and its workings, the Gita speaks of a spiritual reality represented by God, Ishvara, or Bhagavan. This divine reality exists separately from our day-to-day material existence. So, what's the big takeaway from all of this? The Bhagavad-gita aims to guide us towards yoga, not the physical exercises we often associate with the term, but rather the deeper meaning of yoga, which is the connection of the soul to that ultimate spiritual reality. This ancient text continues to be one of the world's most beloved and inspiring books. It covers profound topics such as the immortality of the self, the origin of all existence, finding inner peace in challenging situations, and understanding the intricate relationship between us and the divine. In essence, the Bhagavad-gita serves as a timeless guide, offering wisdom that remains relevant and applicable to our lives, regardless of the era we find ourselves in. So, as we celebrate Gita Jayanti, let's take a moment to reflect on these profound teachings and consider how they can enrich our own journeys. Thank you for joining me in exploring the divine essence of the Bhagavad-gita today.